Son, are you ready for bedtime?
Yes, Daddy. Can you check for monsters under my bed?
Of course, buddy. Let's make sure you're safe.
Daddy, there's a monster on my bed.
I must be hallucinating. Let me check again.
Is everything fine, Daddy?
In the kitchen, both of you, now! Okay, who is the monster of you two?
Him.
Well, who is my child then?
Me.
All right, if you're really my son, what's your favorite bedtime story?
The one about the brave knight who slays the dragon. Yes, the one about the brave knight who slays the dragon.
Correct. Now, you answer first. If you're my son, what's Mom's name?
Emma? Mom's name is Emily. Whoops.